Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the JOEBO Microscope Kit, a versatile tool designed for a range of applications from industrial inspection and lab work to jewelry appraisal and detailed electronics soldering on PCBs. This isn't just a basic microscope, it's a comprehensive system that includes a stereo microscope, a high-definition digital video camera, and essential lens adapters, specifically VGA and Type-C. The core of its digital capability is the included camera. It boasts an effective resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels, giving you true 1080p video output. This level of detail is crucial when you're working with intricate components or examining fine structures. The camera utilizes a 2.8-inch color sensor with a pixel size of 2.9 micrometers by 2.9 micrometers. This sensor size and pixel density contribute to capturing clear, sharp images. Furthermore, it processes data with 16 bits, which means it can capture a wide range of color and light information, resulting in a more accurate and detailed representation of your subject on screen. The kit is described as featuring perfect microscope accessories with exquisite workmanship. This suggests attention to detail in the manufacturing process, aiming for good durability and stability. For anyone relying on a microscope for precise work, having a stable and well-built instrument is paramount. The fact that it's designed for wide application indicates its adaptability across different fields, whether you're inspecting solder joints, analyzing biological samples, or examining gemstones. Weighing in at 800 grams, the kit feels substantial enough to be stable on a workbench, but not overly heavy, suggesting a balance between portability and sturdiness. The inclusion of both VGA and Type-C adapters provides flexible connectivity options, allowing you to connect the camera output to various displays or computers, depending on your setup. The manufacturer, JOEBO, emphasizes their commitment to support, offering 24/7 assistance for any queries, which is a reassuring point for users who might need technical help. Overall, this JOEBO kit appears to be a well-rounded solution for professionals and hobbyists needing a reliable digital microscope setup with clear imaging and versatile connectivity.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.